This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Spacious home on large corner lot, fresh paint and new flooring, eat-in kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Nice floor plan with first floor bedroom, living room, dining room, family room, 3 bedrooms on second floor. Large backyard and oversized 2-car side load garage. Established neighborhood convenient to beach, I-64, I-264, Virginia Wesleyan, and Jeb Little Creek. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.